Hi guys, I'm Aziz. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how you can make a very fast time lapse from your renders. Let's go and check it together. Okay guys, we want to make one amazing time lapse from my renders. Okay, first of all I will show you this is the render. I want to make time lapse from this render. Okay, how we can make renders from this one shot. Okay, first of all I need to bring my photo here on our Google Gemini and Nano banana. Okay, first of all I will write make this building. Sorry, I was writing too much fast. Make this building under construction, but keep another structure as picture. Okay, I'm waiting now for final result of this things that I write. I want this building under construction. Okay, as you see, this is the final result and it's amazing result that I need exactly these things. Now this building, it's under construction. Okay, first now I will download the file. I'm waiting for downloading. Okay, I will save it in the folder that I need as PNG, yes, and finish. Now the final steps, what we should do, we should go and open our Midjourney. As you see, before I tried some parts. Now here you should come on create, after that upload. Where is the folder? Desktop, Aziz, and these two photos. Okay, I upload both photos. This one I put it, I should put this one on. Okay, this one here and this one here. Okay, now I put my photo that I generated with Google Nano Banana. I put it on a starting frame, and the other one, the final result, I put it on ending frame. Okay, now we need one prompt that making time lapse from this photo for me. Okay, I will write make fast time lapse from this building under construction that workers are working and finishing the building. Okay, I write this one and I select it to create it for me. Now I'm waiting for final results. Here is submitting, and I think I guess after 1 minute I can get my final result. Okay guys, as you see now my time, there are 4 time lapse. Each one that you want, you can select it and you can use it for your Instagram, every place, for social media and everything that you need. Okay, first I will check this one. See, it's too much amazing. This one is good. This is second option. Okay, this is third option. And this is fourth option. Everyone that you like, you can use it, and I hope you like the video, and if you like it, please share it and subscribe it. See you on the next video.